Now in this video, we are study about the chapter that is electricity. As we know, the modern world is totally dependent on electricity because of the electricity is a controlled and convenient source of energy. And we observe that the so many activities of our life, that is maybe pumping of water, or maybe watching TV, or maybe this way making video or light, right? All the industries, maybe chemical industries, right? All the industries, they are depend on the electricity. Without the electricity, today's modern life is not possible, right? So in this chapter we are studying about the electricity, and we know that the electricity flow, as result the so many electric appliances are work. So how electricity flow and what make the electricity to flow, and electricity consists of which types of constituent particles. So here when we come across the electricity, so we know that the electricity is made up of electric charges, that is positive charge and the negative charges, right? So now here, so which charges make the current to flow in the conductor? So that is electrons, that is electric charges which are make the electricity flow through the conductors. For example, like river in the water is flow, right? Like that the current also flow in the conductor. So how it is flow? It is flow by the flowing of the electric charges, right? Whenever a conductor is connected to a battery, any source of electricity, we observe that there is a flow of current in the conductor, and that flow of current is nothing but the flow of electric charges, students. So we here understand that current is nothing but, electricity is nothing but the flow of the electric charges, right? Per unit time, you calculate per unit time here. So in mathematically, if you represent the current, so that is the I for current, right? I for current. So electric current I is nothing but what? The rate of flow of charges, right? Current is present in the conductor, it means that the charge is flowing in the conductor. So no flow of charge, there is no electricity in the conductor, right? So there is a current in the conductor, means it means that the charges are flowing through the conductor, right? So we know that about conductor. Conductor is nothing but what? The material which conduct electricity, okay, through which current can be flow. For example, I show here, we know almost wires, right? These are the electrical wires, right? This electrical wire, and we also know that copper wire. It's a copper wire, and these when connected to a battery, we observe that the current is flow into the circuit, right? In the conductors, right? So this means that the current when flow into the conductors, that the meaning what? The meaning is charges, electric charges are flowing through a conductor. When the electric charges are flow, that create an electric current in the circuit, that create a current in the circuit. So this is conductors, right? What is conductor? Conductor is a material which conduct electricity, which allow the flow of the current through them, right? So when current is flowing to the conductor, that means that the charges are flowing in the conductor, right? The charges, that is Q, right? I write in like that current, okay? Current is equal to, okay, the current in the conductor is nothing but what? The flow of the charges, right? The flow of the charges per unit time, right? How much time is taken from travel from one point to another point, right? If it is a conductor, so it is a conductor, when I connected the battery here, means the charge start to flow, then from here to here charge flow, and that create a current in the circuit. So how much time is taken by a current in a 1 unit, 1 meter or 1 centimeter in 1 unit, that is what? That time taken by T. So that is what? The rate of flow of charges in a conductor per unit time, right? Per time. So I write in the symbol form I for current, okay, then charge for the electric charge or simple charge. So charge for, that is Q, and time, that is for T. So this is what the mathematical, right? This is what mathematical form of electricity, okay, electricity or current or electricity, electric current, electricity or current, or same electricity, or sometimes we call it electric current, right? Electric current, or sometimes shortcut we say current, right? What does mean if I say about current? I say about the current is flowing in a circuit, if I say about the electric current is flowing in the circuit, if I say about electricity is flowing in the circuit, that means nothing but what? The flow of the charges. So now we can define the electricity, right? So what is electricity? Electricity is but rate of flow of electric charges through any area, any cross section area, okay, any cross section of a conductor in a unit time. That is a charge is Q. Here see, if you remember this one is usually write the, okay, so current here rate of flow of electric charges, that is what this one, and then through a cross section of an conductor, right, in a unit time, that is a T. So this is what the meaning of electric current or electricity, students. So hope you understand this concept. What is current? We know that the current is flowing in the circuit, and that current flowing is nothing but the flow of the electric charges, right? So this is I can show here how the current is flow. Actually, see, this is the battery. Okay, now do this experiment. Okay, the current is nothing but what? It is due to the flow of the electric charges, means the current is constituent of electrical charges. That is important. Okay, electricity is a constituent of electrical charges, right? Due to the electrical charge, there is a flow of the current. Okay, now see, this is a source of current, battery, and now this having the charges, right? This having the charges, and we know that which type electrical charges, and we know in the lower classes, in 6th class, there are two types of terminal to the battery. This it is a plus terminal, this, okay, here some bulb like structure is there, so this is what plus terminal, okay, here show here plus sign, and then it is a negative sign, that is a flat, it is a negative sign. So battery having two terminals, one is negative terminals and one is a positive terminals. Alright, now this is the battery. So what is battery? Battery is a source of electricity, right, which has the electrical charges. So in this battery, the chemical reaction converted to the electrical energy. Okay, this chemical reaction where graphite is used in this battery. Now it is we are share as a pencil, right? I can make two together to make a battery. Now I take a conductor here. So see, this red color is a conductor wire, and this is grey color also conducting wire. Now in this it is a bulb, right? It is a electrical bulb. Now here the electric bulb is not glow, means that there is no flow of electricity here. So why? Because of it is not connected to the battery, because there is no flow of the charges, right? Charge is here, right, and there is a conductor. If there is no connection between them, means what? There is no medium to flow, right? Because of the current is not flowing to the atmosphere, in the vacuum or in the atmosphere. So it required a medium. So that medium is important. Conductor is a medium of travelance of the electrical charges. So now to glow this bulb, we require electricity. And how electricity produced? Electricity produced by the moving of electrical charges. So charges present here. So now how to flow the electric charges? So by connecting the conductor to the battery. When a battery is connected to the conductor, okay, the current is flowing into the circuit. That means that the charges are flowing into the conductors. Okay, right? Now this is a battery, and this is red is plus sign. Okay, plus terminal I connected, and this, see, now it is again open circuit, there is no connection. When I complete the connection, we observe that there is a glow of the bulb, right? See, I hold it one, okay, right? See, now we observe that this glow of the bulb, and that glow of the bulb indicate that there is a flow of the electricity, right? If anyone say why the bulb is glow, we answer simply answer everyone. 6th standard student answer, 7th standard, every small child answer. This is due to the current, right? So how the current flow? That is flow of the charges, right? So charges are present into the battery, and these charges are passing through a conductor, and as a result the bulb is glow, right? Whenever a conductor is connected to a battery, right, the charges are start to flow from one terminal to another terminal, right, from one end to another, and as a result the glow of the bulb, and this glow of the bulb indicate that this flowing of electricity is due to the flow of the electric charge, students. So this is what the simple experiment of understanding the current electricity. So this electricity is nothing but the flow of electric charge from unit time, right? See, observe from this terminal to this terminal, right? We observe that there is a length is there. Maybe it is a 30 centimeter length, approximately estimated. It is a wire of total this gray plus this red wire. It is all about take 30 centimeter length. So travel from here red wire to gray wire this end, okay, my this finger to this thumb, there is a length is there. So travelers of this length required time. So that is what charge start to flow here, and 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, and take a time, and after 5 second it reach here. Means when the charge is flow into the circuit, they take a time to reach from one terminal to another terminal. That is we take a charge that is flow through a time t. Okay, when the length is increases, that time more for traveling. When length is decreasing, the time is less for traveling for current, right? When there is a more time taken, means there is less current in the circuit. If a less time taken, means there is a more current in the circuit, inversely proportional to. Okay, so this is the very important concept. And see here, the current is directly proportional to the charges. But this time, whenever there is more charge present in the sources, then more electricity, right? More charges, the more electricity, that is directly proportional to the current. So this is about some basic information about the electricity. So how the electricity, if I switch on the button, we do observe that this is glow of the bulb. Why it is? Because of electricity. And why electricity produced? It is because of the electrical charges. So students, this is all about the formula of electricity, and this formula is very important. Use it in the calculation, right? Now come to the understanding of the other parts of this equation, that is here. So in this, we observe that I is nothing but what? Current. Okay, I is nothing but here, where I is nothing but what? Current, electricity. Okay, I write electricity or current, electrical, anyone. Electricity. Now this electricity is measured, right? I measure this electricity. How I measure? There is so many things are there. We can measure it as a milliampere, okay, in microampere, or in ampere simple. Right? There are 3 units of electricity to measure. We know that measuring of weight, right? We measure the weight in kg, in gram, in milligram. Like that, when the weight is very small, okay, when weight is very small, for example, the weight of a particle, the weight of atom, then we take micro, okay, micro we take in the micro level, micro, and then weight is very small, means it is we take gram, and some weight is very big particle, means we take gram, and then very big means we take kg, then again big means we take ton, right? So that is what when the quantity increases, the unit increase. So like that, when charge is very small, then we use microampere, and when charge is very small, again means it is we take milliampere, and also we take ampere as a unit. So this is nothing but the units of electricity. That these are what? Units of electricity. These are units of electricity. How to measure, right? If someone says the weight of this marker is 10, what is 10? 10 gram. So gram is a unit to represent the weight, right? If anyone say what is the weight of this light, we say that it is 500 gram, means gram is what? Represent, that is weight. Right? 500 is what? Weight. Okay. If anyone asks what is the weight of this button, electrical switch, so we say that it is about 2 gram, 3 gram, 4 gram. That gram is indicated what? The unit, okay, unit of mass. Like that, whenever a current is flowing in the circuit, right? So how much current is flowing? How we measure it? What unit we measure? What unit we use here? We not say about 2 kg of current is flow, 1 kg of current is flow. That is not sufficient. That is not the correct answer for that. So correct answer is how electricity measure. Yeah, what unit is used means there are so many units are there. When current is very small, we use milliampere, microampere, and if the current is somewhat large, we can use ampere. right? Then we use again kilowatt watt, that is commercial use, okay, later we use. But here simple we use in this manner, okay. In laboratory when we do the experiment practically, then we use these three, okay. One milliampere, one is microampere, and one is ampere, students, okay. So when we come across milliampere, the milliampere meaning 10 raised to minus 3, that is important. Milli means 10 raised to minus 3 ampere, okay, that is conversion to become convert to ampere. Now micro means it is 10 raised to minus 6 ampere, that meaning 1 by 10,000, right? 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lakh, okay, 1 lakh, right? So that is 10 to the power minus 6, and then our ampere and ampere, right? So there are so many units are there, but we use SI unit. So what is SI unit of electricity? So SI unit is this is also unit, this is also unit, and ampere also unit. But the SI unit, standard international unit, that is being followed by the universe, that is nothing but ampere. Okay, so that is symbol A. So in the example they may be asked the SI unit of electricity is. So the SI unit of electricity is ampere, that is A. Right, this is also microampere also unit, milliampere also unit, microampere also unit, okay, but the SI unit is ampere, right? So because of that, we whenever they give the milliampere, microampere, we converted it to the ampere. Like in the 9th standard we study about the Newton laws. When the gram given, we convert it to the kg. Why? Because of the kg is the SI unit, right? And again in length, when they give centimeter, we convert it to the meter. Why? Because of meter is the SI unit. So means when they give centimeter, we convert it into the meter. Again when they give time into the minute or hour, we convert it into the seconds. Why? Because of second is the SI unit. So that is the which is the SI unit, in that form we have to convert. So here SI unit of current is ampere. So this milliampere converted to ampere means it 10 to the minus 3 ampere. The micro means 10 to the minus 6 ampere. Like that you will convert. So one point remember, in the calculation process, whenever they give current in the milliampere or microampere, you have to convert it into the ampere. Okay, we learn that in later, but you have to knowledge about that. Whenever the milliampere given, whenever the microampere given, you have to convert that quantity into the ampere. Why? Because of ampere is an SI unit, right? So this is one about I. Now come to the Q. That is the Q, nothing but electric charges, right? Electric charges, and the symbol of this is right here, that is Q, capital Q. Sometimes small q taken when charge is very small, they take small q, but here we can take but later in college we can take q, small q, but here in 10th we have capital Q, that is electric charge. Now electric charge, the SI unit of electric charge is a coulomb, okay, the coulombs. And here the SI unit is nothing but what itself is a coulomb, that is symbol C, capital C. So this is what the SI unit of electric charge is, that is C for coulomb, right? Now come to the next one, that is time second, okay. The time, T for time, and we know that time is maybe in minute, maybe in second, and maybe in hour. But here when we discuss about the SI unit, so SI unit of time is what? Second, okay, it is seconds. So this is, students, all about the formula and the meaning of the and the explanation of the term involved in this formula I, Q and T. You have to remember all these very important points. First is what is electric charges, okay, what is electricity and how electricity is flow, that is due to the electrical charges. And then what is the formula, mathematical formula of electricity is mean I is equal to Q by T. And what is I? Electricity. What is Q? Electric charge. And what is T? That is SI at time. So most of students confuse here. For I they write electric charge and Q for electricity. No, Q for charge, I for current. So that is may not confuse here. Electricity, electric current, it is electric current, it is electric charge. Q is a charge. So this is all about and then the units SI, they are very important to remember these SI units, right? Now this is all about the meaning of the electrical charges, electrical current, and here the formula of electricity. Now next we have take about the simple electric circuit, right, which is constitute, which is allow the flow of the electricity. Then come to the simple electric circuit and learn some more points and instruments which are used in the electrical circuit, student. So please note down these all points. Now just we learn about electricity and the formula of electricity. Now come to the another very important point, that is the electric circuit, and which is plays a very important role in the flow of the electric charges. So without electric current, electric circuit, we not imagine the flow of the charges. So to make the charge to be flow, that is due to the electric circuit, right? So here observe this diagram. This is called as a basic electric circuit, which called as a schematic diagram of a basic electric circuit. Okay, basic electric circuit, and that is important for 1 marks diagram. Okay, very important for 1 marks. So they may be asked, draw the basic electric circuit, right, which involves some type of electrical appliances. Now study one by one here. So see, this is what electric circuit, and this having so many different parts. Now learn about different parts and their working there, right? Now here this is electric circuit. Now we observe that this plus and minus, okay, no doubt it is a what? Battery. Okay, this is battery, and you know about why we connect battery to circuit? Because of it is a source of electricity, right? Source of electricity. The source of current, the source of electricity. So without battery, there is no possible flow of the electricity, because the battery having the charges, and the charges flow is due to flow result in the flow of electric current. Okay, no charge means no electricity. So battery is very important in circuit. So I show now here, this is the battery. Okay, this is the battery. Okay, here this is the battery, and say there are two types of in physics. There are two types. One is battery. Two types of source, one is battery and one is shell. There is difference. Okay, this is the battery. How? See, the two pencil shells are joined together here. Okay, so if I take only one pencil shell, what this is? This is shell, right? The symbol is only one, plus and minus. This is the shell. But battery means when two or more shells are connected together. Here two shells are connected. This called, it is nothing but what? It is a battery. Well, see here plus mark. Then here negative mark, I have put it here, negative mark. So negative mark, again plus mark is there. So plus mark, then it is again negative mark, it is negative. So this symbol is nothing but for battery, right? It is more shells, one or two or more shells together form a battery. So here I use battery. You observe here, this is the plus terminal. So this is the plus terminal. Here negative is there. So negative, small lines are negative and the big lines are positive. Again here negative. So small line is a negative, right? So big line is a positive and the small line is negative. When in drawing the battery, you have to careful. First plus big, then small, then big, then small, then big, then small. As per your how much you write, that is uniform. But start with the big line and stop with the small line. So big line is a plus and the stop line is a minus, and this is what nothing but a battery, right? But if I write only one capital and one small, then it close means it is a big is a plus, small is a minus, and it is cell. Okay, but here I use what? A battery. How you say? Because of the so many plus and so many minus are there. Okay, if only single plus, single minus, it is cell. But here one plus, there two or more than one plus are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3 plus and 3 minus means it is battery, right? So here battery use. Why battery use here? Because of the source of electricity, right? Now here see, this battery is connected to the here one instrument. It is nothing but what? Electrical bulb. Electrical bulb or simple bulb, right? See here, this is the electrical bulb. I show you, this is electrical bulb. Okay, it is not easy to draw this structure. So in symbolically we write like that. Like this is the symbol of electric bulb. So this is electric bulb. Now I now go to here. I come to here. What is this? This is nothing but a switch or switch. This is nothing but a switch, or also called as a key plug. Okay, also called as a key plug. And here we have key plug here. This is a key plug. It is a modern key plug. There are so many types of plug here. It is one type of plug. It is on and off. Okay, this is what a key plug. And what is the function of key plug here? To open and close the electric circuit. Okay, open and close the electric circuit. Okay, open and close electric circuit. See here, here dot is put it is a closed, dot is closed. Okay, I remove dot means it is now open, current is not flow, right? So in the closed circuit, current is flow, right? But in the open circuit, the bridge is cut means current is not to flow. So here in this case, I put the dot means current is not flow because of the switch is on. It is a closed circuit, right? See, I study about the closed and open circuit. See, this is the battery. Now I connected here a plus and a negative terminal and a negative terminal. See, this is a glow of the bulb. Now what happened? It is a, if the bulb is glow, if the bulb is glow, what does it? The circuit is closed. The circuit is closed. If the switch is off, if I remove this wire, then bulb is not glow because the circuit is now open. What does mean? This experiment say that whenever we close the circuit, current is flow. Whenever we open the circuit, current is not flow. It means that the opening and closing of the circuit is done by the switch. So that is one thing. Another thing, whenever the circuit is closed, then only the current is flow. Whenever the circuit is broken or open or cut, then the current is not flow. It means that what is mean by electric circuit? Electric circuit is nothing but in which the current is flow, first condition. If a current flow, that is electric circuit. Current is not flow means it is not electric circuit. So when current flow, when the electric circuit is closed, right? Whenever the electric circuit is closed, then only current can be flow, and that circuit is called as electrical circuit. So condition for electric flow means it is a closed. So what is electric circuit means? It is a closed path. It is a closed path. See, from here to here it is a closed path. Here also closed. It is a closed path which allow the flow of electric charges from one end to one terminal to another terminal, one terminal to another terminal of the battery, right? This is what the circuit meaning, right? When what is circuit? Circuit must be closed. There is no open. If I open here means it is not a circuit. Why? Because of it is not continuous. It is break here. It is not break here. But we have to make it close means then only we call it as an electrical circuit. So this is the meaning of electrical circuit. And we observe that in a simple electrical circuit we need a battery, we need a bulb, and we need a switch, and then the lines are there, right? The line we join the battery, the line we join the battery to the bulb, and bulb to the this instrument emitter, and then to the key. That is all done by connecting wires. Okay, so there is nothing but what? It is nothing but what? Connecting wires. Connecting the wires. That is nothing but what? Conductors. Right? That is this one. This wire is nothing but what? Here, black, red and grey color. That is what is a conductor. So for electric circuit, we require a battery, we require a bulb, we require a switch, and we require a electrical connecting. That is conductor or conducting wire. So this is about electric circuit. Now I take this instrument, that is what? A nothing but what? This is nothing but ammeter. This is nothing but ammeter. So what is ammeter? Here I again repeated. This is an light. This one on the appliance, electrical appliance, and this have weight. So how I measure this weight? In weighing machine. Right? By using weighing machine, I can weigh it. It is 50 gram, 100 gram, 500 gram. It is depend upon the weighing machine. So with help of the weighing machine, I can measure the weight. As say, so that when current is flowing into the circuit, so how much current is flow in ampere? Okay, in ampere, 2 ampere, 3 ampere, 4 ampere. How you calculate that? Okay, that is calculated by the instrument, that is ammeter instrument. Weight is calculated by weighing machine. Temperature is calculated by thermometer, right? Like that. How we calculate electricity base? Electricity calculated by the instrument, that is a ammeter. Ammeter, okay, right here. It is an instrument. It is an instrument instrument used to measure electricity in a circuit. Okay, in a circuit. So this is what ammeter. Okay, ammeter. And also remember that this ammeter always connected in series. Okay, in series. So it is always connected in series. So it is series because in same line, because the same current is flow. What the current is flowing into the bulb, same current is flowing into the ammeter. That is what series. Okay. Later we know about the series circuit and parallel circuit. But here that remember that ammeter is used connected in the series. That is very important question. What is ammeter? How it is connected in circuit? So ammeter is an instrument used to measure the electricity, and then how it is connected? It is connected in a series. It is connected in a series, right? So this is our student all about the electrical circuit. So what is electric circuit? Electric circuit is a closed path which is allow the flow of the electrical charges from one terminal of battery to the another terminal of the battery, that is represented by the arrow marker I. Okay, then next so what is here one by one, what is this one? That is battery. What is this key? It is ammeter, and it is a bulb. So these all together make a circuit. That is what the basic electrical circuit. Then what is meaning of ammeter and what is how it is connected? We know about all the point. What is switch? What is open and closed circuit? Right? The closed circuit, able the bulb is glow. The open circuit in bulb is not glow. So these are the basic points we remember here. The another very important last point, that is I can mark here arrow mark. What that arrow mark show? Here see, I mark here arrow mark. Here also arrow mark. Here also arrow mark. What does it meaning? It shows that the direction of electricity. When the electric charges are present here, when they connected in the circuit, so how the charge is move? Because charge is move like that also, and charge move like that also, because it is a conductor conducting wire. So maybe charge move like that, or maybe charge move like that. But we observe that what is the direction of electric current? So we take the direction of electric current is from positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery, right? So direction of the electric current is from positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. That is flow of the electric current is just opposite to the electrons. So see, one concept is here there. The phenomenon of electricity, when discovered, at that time there is no discovery of electrons, right? Electrons, and we know that electrons are negative charge particles, right? The electrons are negative charge particles. So whenever electricity is discovered, at that time electrons are not discovered, right? So electrons are move means electricity move, right? So electrons mean negative charge particles, right? So means what? The negative particles are only attracted toward the positive particles, means the current is flow from negative terminal to the actually positive terminal. But we take reverse. Why? Because of the later on the electron concept discovered. But first when electricity discovered, at that time we use this convention, that is from plus to negative, right? From plus to negative. When later electrons are discovered, then we know that the current is flow from negative to positive actually. But conversely we take that the current is flow opposite to the direction of electrons. Electrons flow negative to positive, right? But current is flow reverse direction. We take that convention, right? So here I write the direction of electric current, right? So direction of electric current, electric current, okay, or electricity flow from in the direction of electricity, direction of electricity taken from positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery, right? That is electricity, flow of electricity is just opposite to the flow of electron. So electron flow to the negative to plus, but the charge flow plus to negative, that is we take conventionally, that is a reversal, that is flow of electricity is opposite to the electron. So this is all about the electric circuit. Okay, so if you write all these points means you get the full 1 mark. So you have to write battery, you have to mention the direction, you have to mention the bulb, you have to mention the emitter with plus and negative sign, you have to mention the switch and the battery with plus and negative sign. If you mention all these points means we get the full marks, and this is nothing but what the basic electrical circuit, the schematic diagram of a basic electrical circuit. Right students, so these are all very important points here. We study about electricity. Now take a one numericals. Okay, last point of this video is take some numericals which are use the formula I is equal to Q by T. Okay, by using this formula we have to solve one or two numericals here. Okay, so please draw this and write on all this information in your notebook. Okay students, now take a numerical problem, that is here a current of 0.5 ampere is drawn from a filament. So write first one by one given. Okay, write the given here. But given, so current is given. We know that symbol of current, that is what? Right, very good. It is I. Okay, how much current is flow? That is ampere. SI unit given. So and as it is, there is no correct conversion. That is 0.5 ampere current is given. Drawn by filament of an electric bulb. Right. Now the time given, that is T. In 10 minutes means the time given T is equal to 10 minutes. But we know that the SI unit of time is second, so we have to convert this second means 10 minutes means in 1 minute it is 60, so it is 10 into 60, we get 600 seconds. Okay, this is the time conversion, minute to second. Now find the charge, amount of charge, that is you find the Q. Okay, you have to find the Q. Simple, very easy. So we know the formula I is equal to charge divided by time. Right? So what is I? I is nothing but 0.5 is equal to what is Q? We have to find out. Q divided by this time. Time is 600. 600. So now take this side means what? We get Q is equal to 0.5 into 600. Right? 600. So here 0.5 nothing but what? 1 by 2 half. Right? 0.5 but it is half, or also we use as write that 0.5. Right? You can also write that 0.5 nothing but 5 by 10 because of 1 decimal 10. So 5 1 5 2 we get to 1 by 2 like that. Okay, I write as 1 by 2. So now into 600. So 2 1 2 300. So we get is equal to 300. Now what is unit of charge? It is a coulomb. So it is a coulomb. So it is a charge. How much charge is it? 300 coulomb charge is present in this 5.5 ampere, 5.5 ampere current will flow into the 10 minutes. So this is very simple, easy calculation and easy formula problem. So such problems are asked in examination on this concept. Okay. So directly we use the formula or indirectly sometimes we use this formula. But here the direct question important for 1 mark. Okay. This is important for 1 mark. Maybe they change the values. Okay. But the method and the formula is very easy to use. Right. So please note down this solution. So students, I forgot one thing about electricity, so I repeat here, that is electricity. In the electricity we observe that I is equal to Q by T. So one very important basic point that I forget, but now I can teach here, that is here define unit of electric current. Unit of electric current. So what is mean by unit? Unit means 1, that is 1 ampere. Okay, 1 ampere. What is meaning of 1 ampere? Right? So 1 unit of means ampere. So electric current means ampere. So what is mean by 1 ampere of current? So we know that I is equal to Q by T. Right? I is equal to Q by T when it is 1 ampere, when charge is 1 coulomb and time is 1 second. So 1 by 1 we get 1, not like 2 by 2, we take 1 by 1 because 1 means we also take here 1 coulomb 1 second. So what happened? The current is the current in a circuit is said to be 1 ampere when a 1 coulomb of charge, 1 coulombs of charge flow in 1 seconds, in 1 second. So that is what the 1 ampere current. So that is important. Definitely also define one unit of electric current means a 1 ampere. What is meant by 1 ampere current? So 1 ampere is nothing but 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb of charge flowing into the circuit with 1 second. That is what 1 ampere. So that is again very important point. That is I forget in that first explanation, but here again I repeated here. What is 1 unit? So you have to write this very simple, right? 1 coulomb of charge divided by 1 second, that gives 1 ampere, right? So this is about very important point about electricity. So here this video is closed. So we learn about basic concept of electricity, meaning of electricity, electric circuit and direction of the electric current, then formula, then SI units, and then one numerical problem about the electricity. So in the next video we take the other concept of electricity is electric potential. So in the next video. So for this video it is enough. So thank you for watching this video.